back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a good and safe Memorial weekend. I know I surely am. Had to kick it off right with Patriot Racing Products giving me a great opportunity to put my Raptor on their dyno, and it's about where I thought it was. I said about 55. I hit 53 with knobbies. But yeah, huge shout out to Patriot Racing Products, you guys, for them even letting me make this possible and bring it to you guys. I'm going to have their Facebook page pulled up on the screen here. I'll have all their contact information. Hit them up for any porting needs, any tuning needs here in Michigan. They got you from basic maintenance to full-on custom builds. Anything you guys need, throw at them. Give them a shout. Let them know what's going on. Tell them I sent you. And yeah, let's get right into the video, you guys. Patriot Racing Products. Here we are on the dyno with the Raptor. Let's do it.